Friends, thank you so much for coming over here, covering this Society Achievers cover and where Poonam Mela is featured. It's a really proud moment for us. Thank you for giving the opportunity to feature in our magazines. I'm so grateful to Shatru ji and Poonam. आपने बस आपको बुलाया और आप आ गए. I'm so grateful to you. And Dada, thank you so much. Really, I'm so grateful to you for making Poonam's cover. ये दूसरी बार हो रहा है. पहली बार कुल्लू के साथ हमने दिल्ली में किया था कवर रिलीज और अब अभी बॉम्बे में कर रहे हैं पूनम के लिए. Thank you so much, Dada. And thank you, friends, for making this evening. Hello, thank you, friends, for making this evening a grand success. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you. We're going to now have the Q&A with our honorable chief guest and the cover star, after which we'll have 7 felicitations, ladies and gentlemen. It's truly a very, very special, precious moment. I don't know whether it's the aura of the Red Box Cafe and Bar, or is it the Jubilee Hawa, or is it the aura of our living legend? So it's a mixed feeling altogether. So I'm going to thank everyone for being here with us and to the bottom of our hearts. It's a very, very special moment. So दो शब्द आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे. And you've always been surrounded. वैसे तो हमें हम सबको नसीब होता नहीं है. वैसे लड़के कहना चाहेंगे, but मैं भी as a girl कह रही हूँ कि हम सबको बहुत मुश्किल से एक पूनम मिलता है पूरा चांद, है ना? और सर के तो इर्द गिर्द 2-2 चांद हैं. और सर right from doing 3 brilliant films also with Poonam Dhillon, कैसा लग रहा है सर? क्या कहना चाहेंगे please? Sorry sir, give me the same mic.
Mr. Ashok Damankarji and his family, Andrea and teammates, all the gang members and our friends who especially come to attend this meeting.
माइक का ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है.
यहाँ पे जितने लोग मौजूद हैं, राजलक्ष्मी जी हैं, रेशमा जी हैं, अनमोल, इतना डायमिक लड़का हमारा अनमोल है, जिसके बारे में आपने कहा कि आज इसका है और कल भी इसी का है, ऐसा अनमोल. और सारे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पहुँचे हुए हैं. राजलक्ष्मी जी के तो हमने कहा ही है यहाँ पे. और ये सबसे ज़्यादा खास कर मैं कहूँगा पूनम ढिल्लों के आने से पहले, पूनम के आने से पहले, ये हमारे दोस्त जो हैं एंड फ्रेंड ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री एंड मोस्ट फेवरेट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री. यहाँ पे ग्रेट ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड स्टार एंड ओ पीछे इतनी तारीफ करनी खामोखा वेस्ट क्या मेरा. अच्छा, यहाँ पे आइकॉनिक ब्यूटी एंड पर्सनैलिटी पूनम ढिल्लों को ऑनर देने के लिए, सोसाइटी अचीवर्स के अनवेल करने के लिए अवार्ड को हम यहाँ आए हैं. इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर टू ऑनर हर. And thank you very much, Damankar ji. Thank you. And all of you. एक ज़माने में आपने मुझे बुलाया था. मैंने सुना इसके पहले जो बुलाया था, मेरा ख्याल है आशीष सेलार को बुलाया था. बहुत अच्छे इंसान है, बहुत बढ़िया आदमी है, और उन्होंने भी काफ़ी अचीव किया लाइफ में. स्ट्रगल से वो भी डिजर्विंग थे, लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ सबसे डिजर्विंग आज हमारे बगल में बैठी हुई हैं पूनम ढिल्लों. उनसे भी ज्यादा डिजर्विंग लाइफ में कोई जो इधर बैठी हुई है. मैंने कहा कि फोटोग्राफ मेरे अगल बगल में डालकर इसका शीर्षक टाइटल कैप्शन हो सकता है बाई वन. यहाँ पे है. मैं आप तमाम लोगों का स्वागत करता हूँ. ये कोई पॉलिटिकल मंच नहीं है, इससे कोई पॉलिटिकल बात नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन आज के दिन ऐसे प्रोग्राम में हम सब यहाँ पे देश के बहुत बड़े कल्चरिस्ट और इतना बड़ा इंसान जिसने मैगजीन्स को और इस तरह के कल्चरल मैगजीन्स को और खासकर फिल्म मैगजीन्स को जमीन से आसमान में पहुंचाया, वो उनको हम ट्रिब्यूट और सल्यूट देते हैं नारी हीरा को आज के। अब आपकी बारी।
First of all, thank you so much, शत्रु जी। आप मेरे एक मैसेज, एक फोन के कहने पर you have always been a friend। मैं हमेशा, ये होते नहीं है सामने तो भी हमेशा कहती हूँ, he is a true friend। कभी भी किसी भी वक्त, दिन रात, किसी काम के लिए। एंड आई वाज जस्ट रिमाइंडिंग हिम कि मेरे बेटे की स्कूल की एडमिशन इन्होंने ही करवाई। नहीं तो शायद मेरा बेटा अनपढ़ रह जाता। Genuinely, he went out of his way, and that wasn't the only thing. One more thing, सोनू जी, आपको शायद याद भी ना हो, जब मैंने वैनिटी वैन शुरू की थी, उस वक्त रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए there was no category because it had never been made before a makeup van like this. तो मैं बहुत कोशिश की रजिस्टर करने की, यू कैंट रन अ व्हीकल विदाउट रजिस्टरिंग इट। तो मैंने उस टाइम पे भी आपसे मदद मांगी थी, एंड उस टाइम के जो ट्रांसपोर्ट कमिश्नर थे, he had spoken to him and they helped me out because they said ये घर है, मेकअप रूम है, वैन है, कमर्शियल है, बस है, so they didn't have a category till then. Since I was the first one to really do that, and he helped me. Without his help, probably आपको शायद याद भी ना हो, मुझे सब कुछ याद है। He has been a friend indeed, and today especially मेरे एक और दोस्त Jackie has come as a surprise. I knew he was busy, he was tied up and committed, but out of just sheer friendship, care and love, he's here. Thank you, Jackie, so much. You mean a lot to me also. And last but not the least, Ashok Namankar, सालों के हमारे पुराने दोस्त हैं, और he has worked so hard to make this possible today. Thank you so much, Ashok, and the whole team. And Andrea, thank you. अभी मैंने राइटर पूरा डिटेल में पढ़ा नहीं है, तो सकता है I might find faults and not say this later. But thank you so much for this beautiful effort you all have made for this. And as Shatruji rightly remembered, the person who was so special to all of us, to all of you, and everybody who's been part of the film industry, Mr. Nari Hira ji, we remember him and we remember his contribution to the world of glamour and showbiz. Without him, things wouldn't have been chronologized. And thank you so much. And Poonam ji, thank you for being here. And all my lovely friends who have been here today. And last but not the least, my son, who was unwilling to come here, but I'm so glad he is here today. All members of the media for being here. Without you, none of us can really survive, and you all are our backbone and our voice and our face in the world and society. Thank you so much. Thank you.
और आप लोग पैंट्स भी अच्छी पहनते हैं और शर्ट्स भी अच्छी।
Love you, sir. Thank you. Love you, sir.
So special, this is so special. मुझे ना लग रहा है कि ये हमारा नया साल आज ही हो रहा है। इतनी सारी खुशियाँ, we're friends, दो और iconic personalities हमारे heroes हमारे साथ हैं, उनसे भी सुनना चाहेंगे। But before that, I want to say this for both our Poonams. They are truly the personification of grace and elegance. Be it an entrepreneur, a homemaker, or truly the diva. Started as beauty queens and still ruling the charts, winning hearts of 4 generations. At first, let me please give it up for both the Poonams together. And Jackie sir, आप please आ जाएं, आपसे 2 शब्द सुनना चाहेंगे, right? आपसे 2 शब्द सुनना चाहेंगे. Sure. Sure, that's so kind. सर मुझे तो खामोश कह सकते, आपको नहीं कह सकते कभी भी, तो 2 शब्द आपसे प्लीज सुनना चाहेंगे.
ये जो आपने कहा, ये तो सबका भ्रम है कि मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती, ये मेरे सामने कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
आपका पंच लाइन हो रही है सारी, क्या बात है?
No, it's a pleasure to be here today, and we are so happy for Poonam. as we've always been friends, and it's been friends forever.
Yes.
Forever.
Yes.
Yes, that's our friendship. And his motto is once a friend, always a friend. So that's what we believe in, and I'm so happy for you, Poonam. Thank you. It's a wonderful day, and Anmol, go out with me. That's the best thing.
She has seen him when he was this.
And of course, Ashok. Ashok is our favorite. He's our favorite.
Put on the cover, it's a mighty achievement.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be a super hit. Maybe now if he stars as the hero of the film. He started decades back, who would say that? Ladies and gentlemen, maybe please give it up and cheer and hear a few words from the one and only, popularly known as Bidu. आपके भाषा में आपको सुनना चाहेंगे, please. With folded hands, we thank you and a humble request to you. So please, do shout.
बोलना पड़ेगा सभी को सादर प्रणाम शत्रु साहब all my love to you and respects always you know it पूनम बिडू तुमने पुकारा और हम चले
गा के बोलो.
तुमने पुकारा हम चले आए जान हथेली पर ले आए जब बोलेगा बाबा मैं आऊँगा मैं आपका मतलब
Truly.
I respect you a lot and I love you a lot and your boy and our family. Thank you for calling me and making me feel important, standing among my most favorite. इतनी सीढ़ियाँ बजी है बाबा घास लग बच्चे I love you guys, thank you for being there. नीलम माँ वाली चल ज़्यादा कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं मजे ले झाड़ होगा सांस ले
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Charlie.
Thank you. Sir, just few felicitations. I promise not more than 3.5 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, at first, I'm going to please welcome our jury, but we'd like to hear from you. At the same time, first, we'd like to felicitate you. Thank you for gracing us and making this evening supremely special. So can we please have the bouquet as we request our Honorable Chief Guest, sir?
मैं दे दूँगा
Sure. To present it to ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Mr. Anupam Shobhakar, please, we'd like to hear from you and music ke bina to, incomplete sa reh jayenge.
Well, thank you everyone. It's indeed a pleasure to be here amongst legends and happy birthday. And thank you my friend Nusha here to invite me. We're best friends and well, I'm more of like a jazz fusion musician and a classical composer, so but I'm also a Juhu boy. I grew up here right across the street. And I've been a New Yorker for the past 17 years and it's nice to come back home to you. Thank you for having me. And, thank you.
Thank you for joining us. It's been a very special moment to you. And ladies, by our honorable chief guest for you, maybe please cheer everyone for Anmol Thakariya. Ladies and gentlemen, and also the release. We'd like to know a little bit about your experience about the forthcoming release and share a few lovely words. कुछ secrets share करें. आज के दिन अनमोल मामा की कुछ secrets भी share करें हमारे साथ.
Hi, good evening everybody. Thank you for being here. It's so lovely to. I was not going to come today. I was nervous. I had a release yesterday. I just did a show called Real Kashmir for Virgin and it's live on Sony Live now. But that's not the point. The point is we're here for Paloma and me. I'm representing her and I was not going to come, but I'm so glad that I came here today because to just see the love for mom and to meet Shatruji, Poonamati and Jackie Uncle again after so long, it's just all warmth and everyone else as well who's been here. So yeah, just a pleasure to be here and the love that my mom has from all of you. Thank you so much for giving her that throughout her career and going forward. And yeah, I hope you guys watch my show at some point and in the future give me that love also. Thank you very much.
Kashmir Football Club. Everyone, please go hashtag him, hashtag and talk about this. Let the world know about this. Yeah, just released yesterday. Also, you can find about this on the Insta handle of Poonam Dhillon ma'am. She spoke about it yesterday, and he asked us was supposed to speak at this moment in time. So, Anmol, heartfelt congratulations, and what a great reason for you to celebrate. Wow. Wow, thank you so much. Please be here with us as I'm going to welcome now the very brilliant and the bright wellness coach all the way from Dubai, Pranali Damankar and Rohil Damankar to kindly join us here, please. Pranali Damankar and Rohil Damankar to kindly accept this token of love. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome. We have no other option but to love options here in the city of Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a huge honor as we hope dance together for Sir Bejarbhai Patel Sahab. The high-end fashion store option se hain. Sir, please aagi jao. Thank you so much, Jai Shri Krishna. Such a fabulous feeling. Always to have you here. He's as young as ever. Sir, that much carry.
हम सालों से ऑप्शन पे जा रहे हैं, आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच। हमारे जून में आपने हमें ऑप्शन दिया है, अच्छा ऑप्शन है, नंबर 1 एंड ओनली ऑप्शन है। थैंक यू
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, with us is Bejarbhai Patel Sahab. Very much having you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. May we please now welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Jignesh Bhai Hirani from the real estate world of Asta Infra. Well, Jignesh also does the greatest events in time, be it our favorite Navratri, as an entrepreneur, and as a philanthropist, serving one and all with this great philanthropic work. Jignesh Hirani, please, do shabad se chahenge.
Thank you.
Please, Jignesh sir. Thank you from this very beautiful place. Sir, but I'm going to welcome Prerna Vaiba and Meghna Mishra to kindly receive a bouquet from us. Thank you so much to both the lovely ladies for getting this place perfectly set. Backstage, we love you all. And we have Jackie sir. Jackie sir, can we please have you here with us with all my dignitaries? Thank you. Thank you very much to Prerna Vaiba and Meghna Mishra from the Red Rocks Cafe and Bar. Just please do go ahead and try the delicacies. They are just the best for every taste. May we welcome May we please welcome the very young founder of Skin.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for this.
Entire Red Box and China Gate team, I would like to thank each one of you. आप सब अपने बिजी शेड्यूल से आज टाइम निकाल के आए, बहुत अच्छा लगा। पूनम मैम, congratulations. Thank you so much Ashok sir for the lovely opportunity. शत्रु जी, पूनम मैम, again childhood कहते हैं dream पूरा हो गया है. I got clean my eyes and also a little special. I am a little more excited for Jackie sir. I'll tell you why. Because 31 years ago he had inaugurated China Gate, the first China Gate for us.
In Bandra?
Yes, the Bandra. That was yesterday. The founder, Mr. Krishna Tamak sir, कल उनका birthday था. So we will look. Yes. So happy belated birthday to Shatruji also. And yesterday only we were going through all the pictures with Jackie sir. And आज sir आ गए. We were so happy to see them. We are so happy to have you all today. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is an organization that is spreading awareness for skin donation and helping change lives, which we can read about in the issue of this magazine. She's also been featured. Tiana, you are so amazing. The Gen Z. Maybe welcome the Gen Z here and being featured in this prestigious magazine is a huge honor, Tiana. So would you like to say a few words before we present the bouquet to you, Tiana? Let's hear from Tiana.
Firstly, I just wanted to say thank you so much for having me here. It's truly an honor, and especially in a room with such legends and esteemed guests. It's truly an honor for me to be here, especially at such a young age. And I really hope that you can support my film. Thank you so much.
Thank you Tiana, your lovely bouquet is here waiting for you, darling. Don't miss this moment. It's precious. Thank you, Tiana, and congratulations for being featured in Society Achievers. You can go down on your knees, Tiana. It's a lovely moment. Yes, that's lovely. Fabulous moment. We'd like to congratulate Tiana.
Would you like to say something?
Firstly, hello. Yeah, firstly, thank you to Ashok sir for giving me this great opportunity to be a part of this cover page issue, and thank you to Poonam ma'am as well. And it was my wish and dream to click one day Poonam ma'am, and it got approved. Thank you so much, Poonam ma'am, and thank you so much.
Thank you, and we'd like to truly express our heartfelt gratitude. And now a very special moment indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, she's the founder of Narad PR and Image Strategies. Ladies and gentlemen, a 35-year legacy institution that has shaped over 500 corporates, 85 films, 200 television and OTT shows, and some of India's most influential public figures. Today is the only day that Anusha is here, and I can't tell you how overwhelmed we are. This is just for the love of all my dignitaries here. So Anusha, I'm going to also welcome आपके दोनों तारे बहुत ही खूबसूरत आपके सितारे welcoming ladies and gentlemen Siddhant Gill and Vedant Gill who are carrying the beacon forward with fresh vision and global clarity. The very dynamic next generation brand custodians. Siddhant is a celebrated photographer and a visual strategist, and Vedant is a sharp writer, poet and communication architect. And together infuse Narad with disruptive creativity, empathy and a deep understanding of India's evolving media landscape. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please give it up for Dr. Anusha Srinivasan Iyer. You look the best today in purple. May we please have a few words from you before we present the bouquet to you. Anusha, please.
Thank you so much, Simran. Thank you so much, Ashok ji. Thank you, Shatru ji. Thank you, Poonam ji. Thank you, Poonam ji. And thank you to everyone who's here. The interesting part is Red Box is our client from the last, I don't know, from the first time Krishna Bhattacharya opened it. So we launched almost all of the artwork. So it's like for us, it's family to be here also. And thank you so much for recognizing what we actually do, because a lot of times we are behind that media doing the work and nobody bothers. But it's Ashok who makes the difference for doing that. Thank you so much.
Please accept this token of love, Anusha, and now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to hear it from the one and only, the very lovely, Khubsurat sister, Dr. Rishma Pai. How does it feel having Poonam on the cover page, and she's like lady in red and you are lady in pink?
Thank you. Good evening. This is unexpected, but very pleasant indeed. Truly a fabulous evening, and I'm so glad I'm here to share some of the beautiful moments in Poonam's life. She's been a star for the family and for the world for many, many years. In today's time, there are not many people who can sustain and continue to be loved for so many years. Shatruji is one of them, and Poonam is the other. Jackie is a dear favorite from years. So it's wonderful that we've got three long-lasting stars forever, and may their stardom continue for a long, long time. Lots of love, lots of blessings to all of you, and huge congratulations.
Now, I'm going to request Anusha Srinivasan Iyer, Vedant and Siddhant to come ahead and receive this lovely bouquet from the hands of our honorable chief guest and the cover staff. Please. This is for Anusha. Please come ahead, Anusha. We want to thank you, Anusha, for all the great unveilings you've done. And आपके presence में I welcome Pranali and Rohil. Pranali, can we please have you here? Pranali Damankar and Rohil Damankar here, please. A lovely bouquet for the wellness coach from Dubai. She's joined us here all the way from Dubai. Pranali and Rohil Damankar. Truly one of the renowned entrepreneurs, Rohil and Pranali Damankar. Please accept this token of love as a bouquet, as an appreciation from us. Maybe have your photo and a few words from you. Come, Pranali. Pranali, I'm going to And my lovely team, can we have a lovely photo walk with Ashok sir, our honorable chief guest, Poonam ma'am, and our editor chief and sir behind both the Poonams and Jackie sir. Only you all, please. A very important photo walk. Pranali, few words for you.
Good evening everybody and good evening to Shakti, I think for me, this space has a positive energy. The moment I walked in, I know that today this energy of this room is going to hit the roof and is going to hit every one of us, and that's why everybody ऐसे लगता नहीं कि हम अनवीलिंग के लिए आए, ऐसे लग रहा है हम घर पे एक परिवार सब साथ में बैठे हैं, ओके, चाय चल रही है, समोसे चल रहे हैं और साथ में सोसाइटी अचीवर्स का अनवीलिंग हो रहा है. I mean that's the feeling I am getting and I'm sure everybody, all of you can feel it. And secondly, I would like to express my really heartfelt gratitude to all three of you. I was telling ma'am, Sonakshi looks just like you and the way she talks, it just like resembles her. कोई फर्क ही नहीं है मैम है और Sonakshi है. And I think, and with Poonam ma'am, I think I've seen you and I have seen you. You've seen me when I was growing, right? Absolutely. Mama couldn't come because of the personal reasons. So, but it's so nice to have, I mean, to be part of the unveiling, and it's so nice to always see the press covering and the way you guys are energetic and the way you guys are so positive. तो अगर कोई feel कर रहा होगा, लोग वो भी बोलेगा यार इतना press सामने खड़ा है तो positive रहना जरूरी है. I mean, that's so really. So thank you everyone for being here, for always unveiling all of us over here, and thank you Papa always for what you do. I've seen him as a kid. I've always seen him, and he's an inspiration for me today who I am. And of course Rohit has been for me a brother and a friend. He's all the way come from Australia as well, so it's a family rebonding for us, and as brother and sister we are here to support our father. And of course Andrea, thank you for what you do, and Sudhir uncle, everybody, thank you very much for being here. Thank you. Have a lovely evening.
Add something to sisters.
What I can add to this amazing speech by my sister, I would say that I'm very glad to be over here with esteemed guests over here, with all the living legends. I think I wasn't born when you guys so, but nothing would be happening because of my dad over here. I think what he's doing the best, and I think it's been how many? I think more than 30 years he's been doing the same thing, and I'm really proud of him, and I'm lucky to be over here. Yeah, man. Congratulations to Poonam ma'am once again for getting this amazing, and thank you so much media for covering it, and good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
And so kind.
One more request, sir, आपका एक dialogue तो जरूर बनता है.
इतना प्यार से कवर किया और इन्होंने कह दिया
So I think this evening is coming to an end. Before that, I want to thank another person who's been like the foundation of this esteemed organization, Mario. Thank you, Mario, for ever being there for everybody. And of course, our senior journalist friends like Chaitanya, all of these, there are a lot of new young people whom we are getting to know now. So thank you all of you, and it's really been a pleasure. It's been especially meaningful to me, and I really am so grateful. Thank you.
And I promised last 60 seconds, Ashok sir, I want you to be with all our three personalities, our dignitaries and Andrea ma'am, all five of you with the magazine. थोड़ा clarity का photo आ जाए पूरा ma'am please, because this will go in the media for our respective magazines, the future magazine. Thank you to our media for making it super special for all of us. We want to also thank our very special VIP invites for joining us for this very special, soulful, grand unveiling. Magazine with class, society achievers. And it's the most magnificent evening. Pranali, have the magazine in your hand.
Steel.
एक सेकंड रुकेंगे please. Can you have a chair there for Dr. Rishma? Straight line में. Please, Dr. Vishnu, please.
Singala.
It's an honor to have you. It's joining us.
Yeah, I know it was very last and a very spontaneous, but
Very special.
yeah, no, I think
Ma'am, you have to left.
But I'm going to talk about it.
Look here, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have to left.
Thank you.
Ma'am, picture दिखना चाहिए आपका. हाँ.
Yeah, I want this. Yeah, Poonam ji ready. Yes, hold. One more safely. Yeah, bright हो गया.
Mobile, mobile.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday. Happy
Thank you to both are beautiful.
Thank you.
This evening is going to be a remembrance forever for all of us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Happy birthday, sir.
प्लीज आप लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा केक खाइए. थोड़ा सा हाइड करेंगे आप मेरा कैमरा और हाइड और हाइड और हाइड. थैंक यू.
Yeah, ready? Yes, one more safety. Yeah, hold. Wait.
Ashok sir, where's Ashok sir?
आपको बहुत बधाई. मामा के साथ आए थे पहली बार इतने बड़े इवेंट में. सक्सेस रहा. क्या बोलना है? कैसे एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका आज?
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी. आई थिंक मेरे लिए इधर आकर बहुत ही प्राउड फीलिंग है एक्चुअली, टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद यू, क्योंकि मैं आने नहीं वाला था, लेकिन उसके बाद आई थिंक जब मैंने मैगजीन देखा मॉम के लिए इतनी बड़ी चीज़ है ये, ऑनर कर रहे हैं सोसाइटी अचीवर्स अवार्ड के लिए, तो काफ़ी बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट है हमारे लिए. तो आई थॉट इट वाज नाइस टू बी हियर विथ हर एंड सेलिब्रेट दिस टुगेदर. हमारे लिए काफ़ी डबल खुशी है क्योंकि मेरी जो सीरीज़ है इट्स कॉल्ड रियल कश्मीर फुटबॉल क्लब, सोनी लिव पर कल ही रिलीज़ हुई है, तो हमारे घर में थोड़ा डबल सेलिब्रेशन का माहौल हुआ है, तो इसलिए मैं आया हूँ और मैं थोड़ा बात करता हूँ शो के बारे में ऑल्सो. आई थिंक मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा मौका था ये. सोनी लिव पर रियल कश्मीर फुटबॉल क्लब, इट स्टार्स मानव कौल सर एंड मिस्टर जीशान आयूब, मोहम्मद जीशान आयूब, जो बहुत अमेजिंग एक्टर्स है दोनों, एंड आई थिंक उनके साथ स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर करना बहुत ही अच्छी बात थी मेरे लिए, सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिला. और या आई जस्ट वांट एवरीवन टू वॉच इट यार. इट्स अ ट्रू स्टोरी बेस्ड ऑन अ फुटबॉल टीम फ्रॉम कश्मीर. तो या थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स वो तो इवेंचुअली होगी, क्योंकि इसमें भी मैं कश्मीरी कैरेक्टर का किरदार निभा रहा हूँ. तो इनफैक्ट जो प्रोड्यूसर्स थे और डायरेक्टर ने भी मुझे कहा कि अरे शायद मॉम को कश्मीरी, क्योंकि नूरी भी कश्मीरी कैरेक्टर थी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई थिंक वो एक थॉट था. फ्यूचर में जाकर देखते हैं कि क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलते हैं साथ में. आई थिंक वी लुक नाइस टुगेदर. आई थिंक हमारा जो पेयरिंग होगा एज मॉम एंड सन अच्छा होगा. सो लेट्स सी. To be honest with you, I don't think about that too much because see, luckily for me ना, mom is an actress, तो क्या हो जाता है वो direct comparison कभी नहीं होगा. अगर if my father was a hero, then it would have been. But luckily वो नहीं है. But obviously she commands so much love and respect since so many years, and we saw it today as well. So I just think I'm focused on my own journey. I want to make my mom very proud, and I'm working hard and getting good response from the director. So let's see how it unfolds. Yeah. Thank you.